Hello my friends and welcome. My name is Dennis and this is my Dnepr 16 not Ural motorcycle, and we are going to start this just here, just now, in a cold winter conditions. My friends, let me show you something here. This is Boryspil Meteo and now we have the temperature of minus 19 degrees centigrade. So in Fahrenheit I'll put it here in Fahrenheit. My friends, tell me what do you think about this motorcycle. I think it's nice looking, like a survival motorcycle. You can clearly say it's not a girl's bike or something. I really like sidecars. And let's turn ignition on. Alright, it's on right now. And here we have the voltage of 12.3 volts. The temperature is minus, as you can see, so we don't have the indication now, but it's minus 19 degrees centigrade. Nice time to start this bike. First I want to show you that the temperature is really low. What I'm gonna do, my friends, I'm gonna pour some water. So here's the water. I'm gonna pour it just to the cylinders, just on the cylinders here, and we'll see if we'll have ice there. My friends, as you can see here, the water turned to the ice very quickly. So here drop, here it's all, everything here is the ice. Here it just started to build, but I still have some ice over here. It means that it's really hot. Correction, cold here. If you compare this weather with Siberian frosts and North Canada, you'll see that it's very hot over here. Some rusty things here. Anyway, let's start this motorcycle. The first attempt, my friends. Let's start it as it is. I'll open the fuel valve to get the fuel supply. Start the ignition. Have some bulbs here. The low oil pressure and the charging for the battery, and the neutral is on. Alright, I'll put the camera over here for us to see everything. Here we go. The first attempt, not doing anything with the carburetors. Let's start this thing up. I wonder if it starts. No. 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 Oh, I forgot to put the ignition on. Now let's start. If you are cold, you can do it, and you will be warm. You will be warmed up. No, useless. Let's add some throttle. Whew. I'm already hot, feeling hot. As you see, my friends, it's useless. We need to add some fuel probably. So I'll plug this thing down and I'll wait for the fuel drops. Okay, we have fuel drops now, and from other side also we have a small plug there, so I'll just press it and wait for the drops. Alright, fine, let's try it once again. Ignition on. Now let's start. Oh, we have something. Come on. Whew, my friends, still very hard. What else can we do? One more magical thing to start this thing up is to pull the choke on here and over there. So here's the choke. Need to pull it on, pull it out like this. Probably you'll see it. It's now pulled. And let's start once again. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Very easy. Oh, it's not working without the choke. Need to pull it out. Seems like only one cylinder is working. Don't know why. It suddenly shut it down. Come on, look at this. And now, my friends, it's time to ride this motorcycle. Let's go! Alright, my friends, here we go. Our motorcycle. And it's still working fine. Alright, guys. I didn't see anything. It's kind of complicated. How to get rid of this foggy mist, foggy icy mist on my visor, I don't know. Hey. Wow, 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 wow. It's getting bumpy. On a first gear on a snowy road. Hey. Great. Check the brakes. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah, the brakes are quite fun here. Let's try some rides here. Wow! Oh, oh, oh. Very slippery. my friends, I enjoy this ride a lot, so let's just shut down the engine. And yes, it's fantastic ride on this motorcycle. I really enjoy the Dnepr 16 with the shaft drive, with the differential block that we have here. And yes, that's my helmet actually. As you can see, it's frosty. It's very frosty. I can barely see anything. I was looking through this small window here, not so frosty. But I enjoyed this ride. It wasn't the off-road, so for off-road I'm just waiting for the temperature to rise a little bit up, because I can stuck somewhere with very low temperature, so I can freeze my legs, freeze my feet, hands and nose. I don't want to stuck somewhere, so I'm just waiting for the warmer temperatures because I'm stuck somewhere and I might spend several hours in the forest, so I'm just waiting for the better weather for that stuff. Here, as you can see, it's probably the funnest motorcycle for winter rides. I really like the Dnepr 16 motorcycle. I also like Urals, as you call it. We call it Ural. In America they call it Ural. Very, very capable motorcycle for that. I have the rubber also for a little bit off-road, but we don't have the off-road conditions over here. We have just a little snow, small amount of snow. And let's start this motorcycle again. I'm just gonna show you how this thing starts if it's warmed up. Let's see. Hey, come on. Come on. Still not good. Add some throttle. Yeah, we need to add some throttle here. Probably I need to tune some carburetors, and also I may hear the knock 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 sound from this cylinder. Knock knock knock. So I need to tune the valves. But other than that, this motorcycle works pretty much fine. Pretty much fine. Yes, that's the usual thing for Dnepr. That's oil leak somewhere, everywhere actually. It's normal for this motorcycle. Normal. Boom. So my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like it if you like and subscribe to my channel. See you later. Thanks for watching.